Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, everybody. How are you doing? It is good to be back. All right, folks. Now we are at one of the most anticipated, one of at least the very anticipated parts of the program by many different people, and that is the OS Awards ceremony.
The Oscars of the React ecosystem.
Yes, the Oscars, the Oscars. So,
Yeah.
there is a lot happening. So let's talk a little bit about these OS awards. So Git Nation supports open source projects and celebrates them at the annual Open Source Awards. And today we're going to have 4 categories and 4 to 5 nominees in each. And we are going to go into them in just a moment. But audience, both at home and in person, we need you to give energy to the folks as they win. So when they come up, right before we tell you who's the winner, you're gonna do a drum roll. Let's do a practice drum
Even
roll.
if you're at home on your desk.
Drum roll, everyone do a practice. Nice, nice. And if you're at home, in the Discord, drop a drum roll emoji.
Yeah.
It should be sliding up.
Exactly, exactly.
And then
Flood
we're
it with
gonna
drums.
say the winner, and then we clap, we cheer for the winner. Now, unfortunately, maybe one or two, a couple winners who couldn't make it, but you don't know which ones they are. So you've got to applause as hard as you can for each one as they come onto the stage. All right,
Absolutely.
That was a lot. I think we are nearly ready to start with our first category.
The breakthrough of the year. Now, this is a category that includes projects that contribute to the React ecosystem and add new dimensions and new possibilities for further development. So, this year we have 4 nominees. We've got one, honestly, very pithy branding strategy.
I was waiting for the
We've got 10 Stacker Router.
Woo! And one. Woo for one.
And one, who is number 1. Okay, and number 2, Stacker Router. Number 3 is Vercel AI. These are just arbitrary order. Vercel AI is also in the running. And React Compiler.
React Compiler also.
Woo!
Nice.
Exactly. All right, so let's check out some short videos that the project team submitted.
All right, I am so excited to be showing you guys one today. Our team has been working super hard on it, and it's really been coming together over the last few months. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. You can create a one app as simply as npx1, and I'll go ahead and just choose all of the defaults for our create flow here, just so we can get going. And we'll use Bun so that things are nice and fast. And now that our app is created, we can go ahead and cd in, and then give it a run. All right, and it's as simple as that. We can pop this thing open, and let's open it up in Chrome. And so what you'll see is we've just put together a little social network demo. And I think as with any Vite app, the first thing you kind of want to take a look at is the Vite config. So let's go ahead and open that up. And I think the main thing to note here is just that one is just a Vite plugin, and it's as simple as that. It works with your Vite plugins. We're using our tsconfig paths, so we have nice import paths.
Fully type-safe router for React and Friends with built-in caching. First-class search from APIs. Client-side cache integration and isomorphic rendering. The AI SDK is a free open-source library created by Vercel that gives you the tools you need to build AI-powered products.
The React Compiler is an advanced build time tool that optimizes your React app through automatic memorization. This means developers are more easily able to achieve better performance without having to worry about manually memoizing, which can slow development and lead to errors.
All right, breakthrough of the year.
Are we placing our bets? Are we seeing if we really understand the zeitgeist of the React community? Think about who you would vote for if you didn't.
All right.
Drum roll,
Here is
please.
the envelope.
Honestly difficult. Okay, and the winner of the breakthrough of the year category is React Compiler. Woo! Do we have someone from React Compiler?
We do not have someone from React Compiler, so
Oh my God.
you're gonna cosplay,
Oh my God.
you're gonna improv. you've just won the Breakthrough of the Year award.
Oh my God.
What do you want to say?
Everybody, it's been a lifetime coming, really. I've been compiling React since I was 4 years old, and it's a dream come true. Thank you so much. Thank you, React Summit. Thank you, Amsterdam. Thank you, Livestream. We love you. Okay.
Don't worry, we will get the award over to the React compiler team, and hopefully they can tweet and post about it when it arrives.
Absolutely.
All right, on to the next category. The next category is, drumroll, the most exciting use of technology. So this celebrates unique and unconventional uses of React, mixes of original software and technologies that make the language shine and boost the development. So let's meet the nominees.
I love this because it's all about unconventional. It's all about out there. So
Just
we've
like
got
us.
exactly. We've got React 3 XR. Woo! Yeah, that's right. That's right. And in Discord, you can shout them out too. We've got Kuta.
Woo!
Woo! React Player.
React Player.
Woo! And Lynx.
Woo!
Ow! So let's check out their videos.
Introducing React 3 XR. Turn any React 3 app into an interactive, immersive experience with a few lines of code.
Kota is state management optimized for real-time performance. Have you ever wondered how video games can update thousands of entities 60 times a second and stay so smooth? Come take a look. TypeScript? You bet. React? That's why I'm doing it. Check out our docs, join our Discord, build fast apps.
React Player is a component that easily integrates media playback into your applications. With a simple URL prop, you can embed videos from various platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, Twitch, and more, with extensive customization options.
Lynx is not just another half-baked GitHub project written by a 19-year-old on prescription amphetamines. It's not the terminal browser with the same name, but rather a production-ready framework that's already in use in high-traffic apps at TikTok. It doesn't power the main TikTok app where you would post your cringe dance videos, but it does power the search panel, TikTok Studio, and a bunch of other ancillary apps.
Awesome.
Woo! Some awesome nominees in this category. Are we ready?
We're ready. Can we get a drum roll, please? So the winner of the, oh wait, that's the wrong envelope. Oh, we almost had.
Longer drum roll, please.
There you go. The
most
most exciting use of technology
goes to
Lynx.
Hey!
Woo!
Lynx.
Is
Do we have
anyone
folks
from the Lynx team here?
Lynx? Lynx, okay.
Okay.
In the role of Lynx, presented for you today, Nathaniel. Nathaniel, you've come such a long way with Lynx in such a short time. We want to award you for this incredibly exciting use of technology. Everybody, please give it up for Lynx.
All my life, people said I was boring, but now, for once, I stand on the shade, on the stage as the most exciting, with lots of charisma in my code. Folks, it is a pleasure, it is an honor, and thank you, Mom. All right, let's give a round of applause for Lynx. We'll make sure they get their reward again.
Ow, ow, ow.
Thank you so much. I want to first of all appreciate the people in the crowd and also the people at home who are actually putting emojis. It's nice to get the energy from you all on stage. But we're only halfway there.
Oh,
Still
my
got
goodness.
2 more amazing awards to give out. And the next award is the Productivity Booster. I mean,
Yeah.
as engineers, like anything that can save me a couple seconds, a couple minutes of time, it's gold. So I'm really excited about these ones.
Amazing. And so this category is definitely all about the efficiency of the development work. And again, we've got 4 nominees.
The
Wanna walk
four
us through 'em?
nominees, yes, we have React Scan, Photoshot, Bippy, and TanStack Pacer. No numbers in any of those names, unfortunately. I thought we were on a trend there.
Yeah, we really had a good thing going, but you know,
I know.
streaks must come to an end.
All streaks must come to an end.
Oh.
But let's see who won Productivity Booster of the Year and check out their videos.
Woo!
Photoshop is an open-source tool to create AI-generated avatars. Simply upload a few photos of the person and create your studio. It comes with built-in Stripe integration, so you can charge users for generating studios. Once the model training is complete, you're ready to generate avatars. Your creativity is the only limit. Fork and contribute. It's open source.
Bippy is a toolkit to hack into React internals. Utilities for debouncing, throttling, rate limiting, and queuing. Non-async and async.
All right, folks. Well,
are
let
we
me hand
ready?
over the green envelope.
Wait, before that, remember, you have a job. Drum rolling. Drum roll,
Rolling.
please.
So, the Productivity Booster of 2025 goes to React Scan. Woo! Anyone from React Scan? I don't think
Anybody
they are here in
that's
person.
okay, because we've
That
been
is
working
totally
on our
fine.
Experian method acting. That's not a
Right,
thing.
ready?
Anyway,
The winner of React Scan this year, or winner of Productivity Booster this year, React Scan. Take it away.
thank you so much. It has been my life's work to boost productivity so that we can do our coding faster and get more quickly to just cuddling with our pets and sitting around.
Very
so
important.
I would love to thank my pets, all 14 of them, cats, dogs, and fish, for prompting me to make the best productivity booster of the year. That's right, I am React Scan, and I thank you.
Thank you very much, React Scan. Once again, we will get them their awards. Someone somewhere is going to have to go back home with a big suitcase full of awards just to send home. Excited. All right, last but definitely not the least award we have. I mean, like, look, we're here. We're at React Summit. We talked about this at the start of the show, 157 meetups over 10 years. All of this is about community.
And it's 10 years of React Summit, 10 editions, 10 years of Git Nation.
10 years of the Git Nation community, yes.
I mean, 10 years of us coming together and having these awesome conversations in person, online, all over the world, all over the web. It's amazing. So,
It's amazing. And being able to celebrate the community of the year on the 10-year anniversary, I think is very, very fitting. So let us check out the nominees. These are the communities that we would love to celebrate. Number one, we have, well, not number one because there's no particular order.
in order of randomness.
In order of randomness, we have React Play. Woo! We have Danks TypeScript Meetup.
Hey-o!
Oh,
yeah!
We have React and React Native Montreal.
Hey!
Any Canadians in the room? And we have React.js Milano.
Ah!
I should just get a holiday and go visit some of these
I know.
folks.
Can
Seeing them
we,
from all
can
over
we
the
make
world.
like a world tour?
A
React
world
meetup?
tour. Love it.
Okay, let's see their presentations.
React Play is an open-source developer community that encourages developers to learn React, start public speaking, and take the first step towards content creation. Over the years, the community has grown to 8K plus devs contributing and participating to make development a great learning and sharing experience. Gdansk TypeScript Meetup is one of the largest Tri-City, urban area in northern Poland consisting of 3 main cities, Gdansk, Gdynia, and Sopot, community that brings together hundreds of TypeScript front-end and back-end programmers. They've been organizing both in-person and online events for the past 3 years, with the goal of providing free education for Polish IT specialists. In Montreal, Canada, the React and React Native community meets every second Wednesday of the month. It's a friendly rendezvous of food, drinks, networking, inspiring talks, and exciting raffles. Everyone is welcome here, and anyone can present in English or French. React.js Milano is the go-to meetup for developers, designers, and tech enthusiasts who are passionate about React and front-end development. Inspiring talks, hands-on insights, and real connections will give you that extra push to take the next step in your career. Join us if you want to be part of Milan's vibrant tech community, and if you think code pairs well with a slice of pizza.
Awesome. Yes, please give it up for our nominees.
Yes, so we would like to say thank you to all of those communities. Without you, none of this React space that I enjoy, I love, would be the way it is. So thank you very much, and congratulations for all of your hard work.
Exactly. And I think it's also appropriate to give a shout out to everybody who's showing up for this community right now. Online, in person, maybe in other ways, in your code, in your open source contributions, in your blogs and other content. You help other people learn along with you. So give it up for yourselves. That's right.
They just did.
No, you don't understand. Give it up again. Yeah!
Nice. All right, now. I'm sorry. All right, we're going to do the biggest drum roll yet for the winner.
Act real
Drum
surprise.
roll. Community of the Year goes to
React Play. Woo! Do we have anybody from React Play?
Anyone from React Play?
Alrighty, that means.
No. Oh, we close the show.
Now, and I think this is appropriate because you can very easily get into the role of a community builder and a community advocate. So let's see if we can really channel the React Play Community of the Year energy as I present you with the award for the most impactful community of the year at React Summit.
I would like to thank my mom. I'd like to thank my dad. I'd like to thank my pets, just like you said before. I'd like to thank my school teachers. I'd like to thank my lecturers. I'd like to thank the very air that I breathe. But most importantly, I'd like to thank every single one of the people who show up for my community, all the organizers, the people who give up their venues, the attendees who show up, the sponsors who give us stickers and cool swag. Thank you to everyone for helping us to be the community of the year.
Yes! All right! And I love this award because this is the one award where no matter who wins, we all win.
We all win.
Isn't
All
it
right,
lovely?
folks. Thank you so much. We've been here. We're done.
We have awarded awards. We have celebrated communities and experimental technologies and productivity and all of the above. And that concludes the Open Source Award Ceremony of 2025.
And
Summit.